Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching What's Rakesh Up To. I'm Rakesh. What am I up to today? It's 10:30. Wait, let me. Okay, it's 10:30 in the night. So me and a couple of my friends are headed to Tirupati, which is in Andhra Pradesh. So I have my bags packed here, and I'm waiting for my friend who should be here any minute. And once he's here, I'll be heading out to Tirupati. For the folks who don't know about Tirupati, Tirumala, which is one of the richest temples in the world, it is dedicated to Lord Vishnu, and I keep going there once in a while, maybe with friends or family. And this time it's with friends. I think a lot of friends will be there. And since this is the first trip after lockdown, I am really excited to travel and be back on the road. So hopefully should get you good content and should show you around. For the folks who've not seen Tirupati, I'll try and give you a sneak peek of the temple, the food, the culture, or how everything works there. Okay, so see you guys in a bit. Just reached Alipiri gate. We are near heading to Tirumala now. So we have one of the cars that we are waiting for. Once that car is here, we will be climbing up the ghats. So yeah, so this is the entry to Tirumala. So we'll have to go through a check post and we'll be entering soon. So I'll keep you guys updated on what's happening. So see you guys. Hey guys, just a small update. We reached Tirumala, and we're just waiting for confirmation on the room. So we're just waiting outside the office here. So if you see that, they are my friends just waiting, and it's a beautiful sunny day here in Tirumala. I think around 6:30 in the morning, and yeah. Hey guys, so we just made it to the room, and this is the view outside our balcony here. And it's a bright and sunny day here in Tirumala, and the weather is very pleasant. And yeah, it's been a very fun-filled journey with the friends. So I've been stepping out with them after a long time, and everyone everyone is kind of excited to meet each other, and yeah, it went really fun, and we laughed a lot, and we stopped a lot in the highway to just speak to each other and all that. So apart from that, I thought I'll just show you the room. So these are the rooms here. Okay, so all of us are staying in this big update. I'm in a traditional, in ethnic Indian wear. So it is compulsory here in Tirumala to wear ethnic Indian dress for the darshan, and I just had a nap in the afternoon. So like I said, it was a very lethargic day, man. I didn't sleep the whole night, and I drove all the way here, and I was really tired. So we all just took our time, slept, and then I've just woke up. I took bath, and I'm ready now for the darshan. I'm just waiting for a couple of my friends to get ready. So once that is done, we all might head out for the main darshan, and I think that is the highlight for the day. And since all of us were really tired, it was a very normal day. Didn't have much to do. Again, we are not here for we're not here for like a trip or an excursion. We just came here to mainly for the temple and the temple visit. So yeah, and what am I doing out now? So if you can see, I'm just in a park. So this is the locality we are staying in, or this is the place. Here one of the buildings is where we are staying in. So I just saw this park right here, and I thought I'll just take a walk. Because the temple food here was really great, and for the people who have been here before and eaten the food here, it's really amazing. Quality of food and the taste is something that no other temple can replicate. So that being said, it was a very heavy lunch. Came back, passed out, and yeah, just needed a walk. So really peaceful here. So yeah, so I will update you guys right after the darshan is done. So once we are done with that, I'll give you an update. Sorry if this vlog is going a little boring. Can't expect much from a temple visit kind of day. People are just busy doing what they need to do, and yeah, okay. So hey guys, mask is compulsory. So I'm just headed towards the temple. I just thought I'll go there, just see what's happening, see the crowd, and just before it gets dark, I thought I'll take some pictures and videos of the temple and surrounding just to show you guys. So I'm just headed there right now. Yeah, I'll see you once I'm near the temple, guys.